Hey guys, I'm Gerald.
And I'm Aubrey with Fast Kicking Adventures.
And today, as you can see, we have our one-man boats. I have my Caiman boat on the bottom. She has her creek boat up top. They both have 55-pound thrust, foot-controlled trolling motors. And they are fun to be in. And we're going to be out here in this pond that we've never been to before. So we don't know a whole lot about it. I had a friend tell me about it about a week ago. So I'm just going on what he told me. So we're going to get unloaded here. We're probably going to get muddy. Well, we're definitely going to get muddy. But we're going to get unloaded here, and then I'll start the camera back. Appreciate you watching. All right, guys, we got everything loaded up. We got about 4 hours that we can fish. Aubrey's got everything nice and neat, organized in here. Don't know why she's got 2 hats, but you know.
It's my luckies.
So here's the problem that we got. Fully loaded boats, and we're probably going to sink to mud up to our butts right here, getting the boats in the water. Once we get them in there, it's going to be a lot of fun today. But this is not going to be fun. So, but we're here. We're not changing our mind now. We're going to make it happen. Only rule is if one of us falls, well, if she falls in the mud, that'll be funny. But if I fall in the mud, you can't laugh about that. So that's the only rule we got. All right, pick up that side. Let's try to get it in the water the best we can. Basically, we're just going to pick it up a little bit, slide, pick it up and slide. Just like that. Don't even worry about sinking in the mud because there's nothing we can do about it. Oh, that smells great.
I'm not going to have some water in the
Well, move that rock. Go. Good job. Well, at least I remember to bring my old flip-flops. All right, guys. Finally got one to smack this top water true sand lure. And I had somebody ask me the other day why I use fish grabbers all the time. And for two reasons. Number one, I try not to handle the fish as much as I can because I'm allergic to them. But number two, I have been hooked a few times. Nice little fighting bass. I have been hooked a few times trying to get his mouth open or something, and he jumps and I get a hook in my hand. So I love the fish grabbers. And if you ain't getting no bites on that, I mean, switch over to a yum dinger, try something else if you want to. I mean, you know how it was the other day at Tomalex. If we would have stayed with top water all day, we wouldn't have never caught a fish. God. He never touched it. All right, guys, not a big one, but good fighting bass. All right, guys, he popped it right inside that tree there. Damn it. Never had him. Dang old thing almost got hung up on the damn tree limb. Yeah, I mean, I saw the bass for a second. There you go, big girl. Now that one right there was the first time that I've seen you work that frog the way you're supposed to work it. You've been working it too fast. All right, guys, the big girl just had a pretty good bite and he got off. Old Tim liked to have his hula popper in here, wouldn't he? Slow it down, big girl. That was a good damn cast.